Some of you may have experienced some issues last Saturday. What is going on, everyone? It is Monday, August 28th, and I want to give a quick update for my ITP account. But before I do that, my name is Matt McMasters. I make videos about crypto and passive income that interest me and share what I'm doing and the strategies I'm implementing because I love finding and telling you about such opportunities. If you like that, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And while you're down there, hit that like button too. Those are the two things you can do to support my channel. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. You should do your own research before making any financial decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. I'm just a guy on YouTube sharing my experiences on the platform. Some of you may have experienced some issues last Saturday, but don't worry. It was a scheduled routine maintenance that momentarily halted manual trading for a few hours. These times were specifically from 1 a.m. on August 26th to 5 a.m. the same day Seattle or PST time. The site is now back up. To prove this, I'll perform the manual trades right now. To do that, once you're signed into your account, just click on the bottom left icon where it says quantize. Under G1, I have 5 manual trades to perform, as it also shows here and several times today, which is 5. To begin the manual trading, just click on Single Start ITP Quantization. It's going to look for a manual trade or ITP quantification. It's found one and now is queuing it up to perform the trade, capturing the best prices to make the buy and sell of the token. It's settled on buying sold at Binance for a specific price and is executing a buy order for it. And now it's executing a sell order for that same SOL on the buy top exchange for some profit and allocating commissions. And the profits for that transaction is 0.6322 cents. Let me do the other 4 trades. While I let the remaining trades play out in the background, I'd like to take this opportunity to ask you to help me get a souvenir shirt via ITP's annual prize giveaway, which is happening now till December 31st. As a G2 user, I'll then be able to receive a souvenir shirt, souvenir mug, or souvenir umbrella. I will choose the souvenir shirt. If I ever qualify for G3 users, I'll then receive a free microwave oven. G4 users will receive an iPhone 14. G5 users, an Apple MacBook. And finally, G6 users, a Jaguar car valued at $35,000. You can help me obtain G2 status by becoming one of 5 valid members by simply creating a free account, then depositing $100 when you're ready. Plus, when you create the free account using my enrollment link, you'll receive $8 to play with for a few days to familiarize yourself on the platform. And ITP is also currently offering a new users 72 first recharge bonus campaign, where new users who make an initial deposit of $100 will get a $10 bonus. An initial deposit of $500 will get a bonus of $50, and so on until an initial deposit of $20,000 for a $900 deposit. But you must act quickly because this campaign period ends August 30th before midnight. And this is a one-time top-up and not cumulative. So make sure you put in as much as you can to qualify for the highest amount bonus. So, if you'd like to sign up, click on my enrollment link to create your free account right now. Link in the description. And that does it for today's manual trading. As you can see, my times for today is 0, and my today's earning is 3.1612. If you take if you take 3.1612 and divide that by the amount that I currently have in my wallet, which is 126.4499, that should be 2.5%. So there it is, 2.4999%. Finally, join my free private Facebook group if you'd like to discover similar opportunities like this. Link in the description. That does it for this video. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments and like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.